mic got caught again. Yep, that's me. Sure, most of y'all don't know me. But, in case you don't, we're gonna have to go back. All the way back. The first game I had ever made was 3 years ago. The first game I had ever made and actually released was 3 years ago. There we go. There's the Unity game. What? How do I start the game? I don't know how to start the game. Maybe I have to press it at the same time, and it lagged. Hold on. Let's retry that. Wait, am I supposed to use a controller? Oh my god. Hold on, let me get a controller.
We've known each other for so long, and always made it home. Why are you still here? Listen, okay, I don't know the lyrics. Hey, get out, fine, please. Well, click on game, click on start. Okay. This to discover the secret, but like, stop discovering secrets, please.
Secrets?
Please.
What is happening?
Please.
What is happening?
By the way, this is not copyrighted for us. It's because I'm not.
I don't know if I'm supposed to use a controller, but my controller isn't working. Okay. Interesting. Well, I don't think there's going to be a way to open this game completely and play it for all its glory. Well, why is Kazoo Kid on this one? This is the next game that I made. I'm curious why Kazoo Kid is on here.
I think we're gonna be friends.
Special friends.
And when I'm with friends, I like to have fun.
Interesting. Well, this is a walking simulator game. Interesting. Wonder how this goes. Okay, another Unity game that I made. It's 3. Interesting. It's running terribly though. My goal is 1K walking speed. My current walking speed is Oh no. Oh no. You're going to have to trust thee, for it is straight ahead. Continue onward to get to the red sphere. Trust in the ditch of evergreen. Did I make this animation? This might have been on Mix ago. Also, did I make this character? And this grass? What is that? Why is there a glowing orb? Also, the whole thing is that I'm trying to get to 1K walking speed, but look how slowly I'm building up walking speed. This is gonna take forever. Hold on, my laptop is about to die. So I gotta... Wait, maybe I could use my controller on this? No. Okay. That's fine. Walk forward. We continue forward.
Hey, this is Editing Parker. This shit was low-key boring as hell, so I'm gonna save you the trouble because the retention graph is going to drop like a motherfucker if we keep at it with this slow-ass pace. So, yeah.
That was the second game I made that I had uploaded. This is a devlog game that I had built. I have zero clue. See what it is. It's another Unity game. Okay, alright. Main menu. Wait, hold on. Okay. Hold up. This might be an actual game. Cause look, like where I'm putting my mouse, it shows a little highlight on where it's gonna grapple. So I have 3 jumps. Is this like a test level, a test scene? I can't just scroll out, and I'm genuinely kind of surprised from the quality jump from those 2 games. I wonder when this one was released. I guess I'll have to find out. But like, holy, that is a lot of upward momentum. You kind of just like have a bunch of upward momentum. Is this a checkpoint? What is this? What, does that do anything? I don't think it does anything. Does it like help with... Oh, it does help with velocity. No, it doesn't. Then what? Why would you ever need the grapple system? I like the concept. Is it something that is genuinely going to have good gameplay system? No. I'm pretty sure this was me finding out what kind of games I like making, and if we go from this from a 3D game with literally like almost no content to this, hold on, this is kind of actually hard. If we go from a 3D game with 0, oh, it's gone. Is it a one-time use? No. It regenerates after a little bit. Interesting. See, like, Whoa, wait a second. They do something. Look. It's got like a slight boost to your momentum. So they are actually good. Except I think they're mainly for visual effects on this build. I'm going to try to jump across. Does this just repeat infinitely? If so, that's a cool... Oh no, I'm falling. Stop. Okay. If this repeats infinitely, then that is a cool system that it has me teleport from the bottom without me knowing. I will say, it does feel really responsive, and I like the fact that I can jump 3 times. It does render the grapple system rather useless. I wonder if, like, in a future version... Because I'm sure I had more later versions after this. I just forgot to, like, release them. But this does look actually kind of fun. And if the grapple system actually pulled me towards something, I would be more likely to use it. So if I ever get my hands on this... What's this blue? There's blue now. Oh, okay. I fell through. I don't know if that was intentional or not. I can't tell. Is that the win? I think that's the win. Oh, it is better to do the grapple. Interesting. Well, since I think that's the win... What the hell? This triangle's all the way out here. Since I think this is the win, and I like that the camera follows the player slowly, so, like, if you hit a platform, it goes back to it, like, snaps to it, but, like, not like a hard snap, it kind of, like, has, like, an animation. I like that. I don't know if that's a Unity feature or not, but, oh, that's awesome. Oh, so green platforms are a checkpoint, and the grapples are yellow. Okay. So, if I die... Oh, I see. Well, this is the most fleshed out game yet. And I can tell I was trying to find my footing as a game developer. The next game I made... okay, it's a dude stop and there is no game inspired game. Interesting. I wonder if the Linux build works this time. I guess we're about to find out. But let's try it. Open. Okay. Oh, that's my old logo. Okay. Alright. That's cool. There's options. What is this? Full screen? Doesn't do anything. Okay. Do the options save? Yes. Interesting. Well, the UI clearly does not scale. But oh well. Ooh, a loading screen. Is that a menu button? Oh, I can pause the game. Okay, this is already better. Oh, Ready Set Ruin is not responding.
You mind stopping?
Oh.
Okay, actually stop. This isn't funny. Stop!
Oh man, that hurt my ears.
Okay, this is not funny anymore. Just stop touching my fucking stuff!
Goodness. What the heck?
guess I'll let you go to the next level. I really thought that you were just gonna quit. Like, who sits through those loading screens? Plus, it said it crashed. It said it wasn't responding. Alright, fine. I'm just trying to procrastinate now. Hold on. And... oh, sorry. Oh, I got an error. Oh. And enter.
Oh, alright. I love how the menu button is just completely hidden behind every object. Can I open the drawers? No. I do like the pixel art. PC turn on. Interesting. Oh, really? Is that so? So I was working on a fix for the fact that you can't interact with anything on level 2. Oh, yeah, you really can't. After you turn on the PC, you can't even open the menu. So then my files got corrupted and they lost all the progress, and I'm sure that I just lost all motivation to continue working on it. So that's actually kind of funny. But okay. Ooh, it's an HTML game. Oh. What? Steam thumbs up. Okay, so this is Zombie Runner. I made this for a game jam. Oh, there's only an HTML version. Interesting. Well, the HTML version does not work. So, we're going to have to move on to the other game jam game I submitted for the same game jam. This was called Protect Pixo Pino, Protect Him from His Mortal Enemies. My second submission. Game name. Play. Whoa. Holy, this is hard. Wait, how do I... oh, I have to click on them. I like that it's 2D. I like that it's pixel art. And I think it's kind of funny that these are other indie developers that are on YouTube. And I have to actually click on them with a gun. I wonder if... wait, spam E. What? Oh my god, this game is hard. Hold on. Interesting. Do I have, like, preset spawns where they can spawn from, or are they all random? Okay. Alright, this is way too hard. What the heck? What is this? Alright! It didn't even play. Yo. It didn't even play. Alright, I'll do it for this. Making this. Well, that is interesting. This is an interesting game. It is definitely something. I wonder if, because this is the web version, it's actually kind of bad. Interesting. Unless I have to make it a web version. Spammy. Okay. What does that do? What is... oh, right, yeah, that just gives me to... what does it do? Hold on, there's a non-game jam version now. Well. Oh, this is the non-game jam. It is. Yo. Deleted post, deleted post. Oh. Wait. Hold on. Alright. Well, I'm just clearly not based. Yeah. Alright. I'll vibe with this. Anyway, that's cool. Okay. Well, the most recent title that I am working on. Oh, wait, no. The newest game before I started making this game, I was making for a Business Professionals of America software engineering team.
Hi, this is Editing Parker again. So I realize now that some people don't know what BPA and SET are, so I'm going to explain it. BPA is a national competition held for high schoolers, and I'm not sure if it's going to college too, but they allow you to compete for prizes that allow you to put that on your resume, and it's really, really well. It's really, really good to have that on your resume. And Cyber Patriot too, I did that too, but that's not what I'm talking about. BPA SET. Sorry, I was yawning. BPA SET is a software engineering team. Basically, you get assigned something that you have to make with a certain quota, and you have to do it within a certain deadline. And we did that. But the game doesn't work on my Linux machine with Wine, so I'm just going to completely skip over this. Sorry.
It doesn't work on Linux, but it's supposed to work on Windows. So, if I have any footage of that, I guess I'll put it up. This new game that I'm building is from completely from scratch. Is based on experiences that I have grown up with, and the relatives that grew up with me.
Hey, sorry again to interrupt. I just realized that I forgot to say that in the next devlog, that's when I go into depth about the current game that I'm working on. But right now, I wanted to say this because I didn't mention it at all, and I'm sure you're sick and tired of me interrupting the video. So,
I will have this in the description if you want to follow that page. I will post devlogs there. And on YouTube, I'm giving myself a monthly upload schedule so I don't have to be as burnt out as I did last time I tried doing devlogs and stuff. So, well, this was fun. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.